Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Not even just 5 minutes ago, I got a new Boxy Luxe sneak peek, and I'm going to go ahead and go show that. And then earlier today, Joseph went on Boxy Baddies and gave us another sneak peek, which I do believe is a regular BOXYCHARM, because what I've noticed is if it's the Luxe box, we get it through email. If it's the regular box, we get it through the site. On this video, I'm just giving those two spoilers, but if you want to check out the previous ones, make sure to check out my previous video. Then I'll try to leave a card here as well as leaving in the description box. Now, when I said Joseph made a statement earlier on Boxy Baddies, he was in his car and he had told us that it's going to be a variation, and it's going to be a Hank and Henry or Violet Voss or LaRock, which is kind of like because a lot of people want a Hank and Henry and a lot of people want LaRock, but I mean, I don't know how I feel about that. Now, I heard some people say it's a lipstick, but I am not for sure. I personally went searching for it, and I couldn't find out what the actual product was going to be, but it probably is a lippy, considering it's 3 variations and probably the same type of product. Now for the newest sneak peek of the Boxy Luxe. I was so excited about this, and it was a Smashbox Primer Water, which I personally am getting low on mine, which I got the coconut, the So Chill coconut. It is really good. Smells really good, not that fake coconut smell, and it's a really good product, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, that's the newest spoilers that I have for you today as of August 22nd. If you want to see the other spoilers or sneak peeks, make sure you check out my previous videos. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the little bell so you can get notifications every time new spoilers come out. Until my next video, I'll talk to you later. Bye.